Hello everyone, I am Akash K, currently pursuing third year BTech Artificial Intelligence and Data Science at Nehru Institute of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore. Now, I am going to present the session about full stack development using Mernstack and a project development using Mernstack. Let's start our presentation. I have separated the presentation into 6 parts. The first part is introduction to full stack. Second part is basics of HTML. Third part is basics of CSS. Fourth part is basics of JS. And the fifth and last part is about the project and project output. Let's begin with introduction to full stack. Full stack development is the end-to-end development of application and websites. It includes both front end and back end. Front end. Let's see about front end. Front end is usually accessed by the client, the visible part of the website or applications. Deals with user interface and user experiences. Backend. The backend focuses the core of the application where all the business logics is applied. Handle data storage, processing and server logics. It also manages database, server configuration and APIs. Here we see the technologies used to both front end and back end. Front end technologies: HTML, CSS, JS, framework and libraries. Backend technologies: programming languages are Java, Python, PHP, Node. Databases: MySQL, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, Redis, etc. Server technologies are Apache, Nginx, LX, etc. Frameworks and APIs are Django and Express.js. Let's see about roles and responsibilities of full stack development. Front end responsibilities: designing user interface, ensuring responsive design, implementing user interactive. Backend responsibilities: developing server-side logic, managing database and storage, implementing security measures. Integration and architectures: designing application structure, interactive front-end and back-end, ensuring smooth data flow. Now we see the basics of HTML. HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is the code that defines the structure and the content of the web page. It consists of series of tags that tell the web browser how to form and display the content. HTML5 is the significant advancement in the web development, enabling the creation of rich, more factual and engaging web experience. HTML tags are like container, classify the content within them. Here we see some tags. HTML. It represents the HTML file. Header. It represents the page header containing metadata info. Title. It represents the title that appears off the top of the web browser. Body. It represents the page code contained with p tag. It defines the paragraph of the text. Image. It is used to embed image in your web page, etc. And last tag is called close tag. It is used every tag has to close. Next we see the basics of CSS. CSS stands for cascading style sheets. It is a language specified designed to style the presentation of the document written in the HTML or XML while define the structure while HTML defines the structure and content of the web page. CSS control how to content is displayed visually. Visual style controls separate from the content, cascading rules, selector, properties and values. CSS uses selectors to target those elements and styles their presentation. It doesn't have its own set of tags, but uses selectors to target the element created within the HTML tags. There are three different ways to apply CSS. First one is inline, second one is external, third one is internal. Inline, it is defined using the style attribute within the opening tag of the HTML element. Internal, it is defined with an style tag placed in head section of your HTML document. External, it is reside in a separate file with the extension of .css. Now we move forward to the basics of JS. JS stands for JavaScript. JS is a programming language designed for web pages. It is embedded directly into the web pages, HTML pages. A interpreted direct side event based language. It is a dynamic, height, weight and case sensitive. Let's see about primitive data type. Two types of data types. One is primitive data type, another one is non-primitive data types. Let's see about primitive data types. Primitive data types consist of strings, number, boolean, null, undefined. String, a series of characters enclosed in equation. Marks, either single quotation mark or double quotation marks. Number, all numbers are represented in IEEE 754 or 1945. Double precision floating format and CX. Next we see about non-primitive data types. Array and object. Array represent the group of values. Array items are separated by commas. Object, an object is logically a collection of properties. Next we see the JS statements. JS statements are the building blocks of your program. They are essentially instructions that the JavaScript engine understands and executes. These statements perform a variety of actions. Here are some JavaScript statements: switches, while, do while, for loop, break, continue. Next we see the JS functions. Merely defining a function doesn't result in execution of function. It must call the executions. Next we move forward to our project goals and project outputs. First, project goal and the futures of the project. Our project title is Homely Hub using Mernstack. Actually, we create a website named Homely Hub using Mernstack. Project output. Now we explore the Homely Hub with help of VS Code. Homely Hub using Mernstack. Homely Hub is a platform that the people can find and book a unique place to stay while traveling. Features that used in the Homely Hub. User authentication. Allow users to sign up, log in, and manage their profile, that is, update profile and password, changing user password. Search and filters. Implement a search from the search form with filter to enable to easy find. View listings. User can view detailed information about each accommodation including photos, description and amenities of the hotels. Property listing. Allow property owner to list their accommodation providing details such as images, descriptions, amenities and pricings. Booking system. Developing a booking system that allows users to reserve their bookings and confirm their tickets. Reservations and user profile where individually can manage their booking, update their personal information and see the property listings. Payment integration. Integrate a secure payment gateway to handle transactions that allows user to make reservations. Responsive designs. Ensure a responsive and visually appealing design that adapts to various devices and providing user-friendly experience on both desktop and mobile platforms. Let's see the project output. Now we opening the VS Code to start the Homely Hub. Wait a minute, it takes some time to load. So finally, this is the Homely Hub website. This is the home page of the website, which consists of header, hotel details and footers. Header consists of Homely Hub logo and search filter and sub-profile options. Here, this is the search bar and this is the search filter. In search bar, we can search the hotel by search destination and according to the dates and number of guests. For example, now I search the destination as Kerala and date as today date to after 3 days and number of guests as 3. Now I am clicking the search button. Here see the result is show the hotel which is available. Here the Homely Hub logo is clickable. If we click the logo, it will redirect into the home page. This is search filter. Here we can search the hotel by fixing price range, which amount to which amount, and by property types as house or flat or guest house or hotel, etc. By room type, an entire room or anytime. Here we can filter amenities also, whatever we want in our room, like Wi-Fi, AC, kitchen, TV, washing machine, pool. Finally, we can apply the filter or else we can clear the filter. Next, we can see the properties. Here we can enter into the each property to see more detail about the property. Here we can see the hotel name and the price and the images of the hotels. This button can show the all images of the properties. This is the descriptions of the hotel, and this is the what are the amenities offered by the hotel, like AC, washing machine, TV, pool, parking, etc. Here we also integrate the map location of the hotel. We can see the hotel, where is it located. In here we can book our registration. Actually, this is the booking form. We can book our reservations of this hotel by filling this form: start date to end date, number of guests, full name, mobile number, and finally book this place. Click the book this place. Note: if you are already have an account, you can directly do the payment, or else you need to log in the website. Now we are going to log in the account. Here, if we click the profile option, if you are already logged in, it shows the my account, or else you need to log in. It will redirect into login page. If you have an account, you can directly do the login, or else you need to create new account and do the login. If you have account but you forgot the password, you can click the forgot password to reset the password. After login, we can see the profile option. In profile option, there is 3 options: my profile, my bookings, my accommodations. In profile, we can see our username, mobile name, and our profile avatar. Here we can edit our profile and password. If we click edit profile, we can change our username and mobile name, number, and profile avatar. After updating, click update profile. and we can change our password by clicking the change password. You need to enter the current password and need to enter the new password and confirm the new password. Finally, update the password. Next, we see the my bookings. Here we can see our past booking and present booking details. Next, we see the my accommodations. In my accommodation, we can add our own properties and property details. If we click add new place, here this form will open. Now we have to enter the property name and property addresses. Add property name, property addresses, and add photos. In photos, we can upload through link and our local system files also. And we need to add description about the hotels. And property types, we need to enter property types and also room types. And we need to add which are all amenities our hotel provides. Finally, add check-in and check-out time and maximum guest number. And add price per night of our hotel. Then click save button. After clicking save button, we can see our hotel in home button and my accommodation also. So this is our Homely Hub website. I hope so everyone enjoy this session and get some knowledge about full stack development using Mernstack. Thank you for the Webstack Academy for this opportunity. Thank you for the peoples also who are all watching this video. Thank you.